Selling your home sounds exciting until you realize it's not just about collecting a big check. There are costs involved, and if you're not prepared, they can sneak up on you. So let's break down exactly what it costs to sell a home so there are no surprises. First, the biggest expense, realtor commissions. This is typically 5 to 6% of the sale price, split between the buyers and sellers agents. And before you ask, yes, of course, you can sell without an agent. But unless you're a marketing pro, a negotiator, and a legal expert all rolled into one, it's usually not worth the risk. Next up, closing costs. Most people think closing costs are just for buyers, but sellers have their share too. Expect to pay around 1 to 3% of the sale price in fees. These include escrow fees. This is the neutral third party that handles all the paperwork and money transfers. Title insurance. This protects the buyer in case there's a claim against the property. Transfer taxes. Some cities and states charge a fee just for changing ownership. Now let's talk about repairs and concessions. Even if your home is in great shape, the buyer's inspection might uncover some issues. You may need to cover repairs or offer a credit to keep the deal moving. And if you're in a buyer's market, you might even have to help with some of the closing costs just to make your home more attractive. What about staging and marketing? Most agents will pay for staging and marketing. Now, while it's not required, professionally staging your home and hiring a photographer makes a huge difference in getting top dollar. So be sure that you use an agent that is open to doing professional staging and professional marketing. A well-presented home sells faster and often for more money, so it's definitely worth it. And don't forget about moving costs. Whether you're hiring movers, renting a truck, or even paying for temporary storage, relocating isn't cheap. Plan ahead so you're not scrambling at the last minute. The bottom line, selling a home isn't free, but with the right strategy, you can maximize your profits while minimizing your expenses. Want a full breakdown of what selling your home would cost you? Let's talk, and I'll help you navigate every step of the way. For more videos like this one, be sure to like and subscribe.